I'm installing the sink drain. That is the drain pipe running there. And it runs right out. It runs right out into the field there. I've got to connect all these pipes together with butt-end connectors. And I've got to run a pipe from the cabinet under the cabin out here so that I can connect it to this group of pipe. The state requires that gray water disposal be done below grade. So I'm going to be making a specialized drain to dispose of the gray water, and we will cover that in just a minute. This is pretty standard joining of PVC. You got your purple primer. That on the pipe. And my hand. And you take your glue or your adhesive. Now just use some butt-end connectors. Connect them like that. I got a couple more of those to do. Okay, I got that pipe joined all the way, the one run under the cabin from the sink. All I got to do is put a 90-degree angle on that end, and I got to dig a trench for all of that pipe. I got a hole dug out at the end of the pipe. I'm going to go fill it with pea gravel, put a 90-degree on the end of the pipe, backfill the hole. That'll work as my drain field. That way when I dump water down the sink, it'll run down this pipe that I buried right out into there and then seep into the ground. First bag of pea gravel is in. Stuff is not lightweight. Now, all I need to do is shovel this dirt back over it. Now when I pour water down the sink, it'll come out here, seep through the pea gravel, and re-enter the water table properly. There we go. light on the subject. Alright, well, I hooked the sink up, ran the pipes. There's still not a pump or water source onto it, but I did get the drain pipe run, and I just ran some water through the drain pipe, and it did what it was supposed to do so far.